Hello Bladers. Part of being an owner of a vehicle is responsibility that comes with it. Welcome to our Daily Drive. Everyday tips for everyday drivers. If you are not subscribed yet, you are missing out. Here are 5 basic car maintenance tips all Filipino drivers should know. Number 1, get your car an insurance. This is an essential for every car owners out there. Cars insurance is a costly issue, and car companies are putting a lot of effort to encourage car owners to get a coverage. It is quite impractical nowadays to have a car without an insurance. Having your car insured is a smart choice, especially knowing that there are possibilities of road accidents. Number 2, find yourself a trusted, regular mechanic. As a car owner, you need to find a trusty serviceman. Someone who will be at your beck and call. The one who knows your car from bumper to bumper. It is completely obligatory to your car's safety and also your budgetary welfare for you to practice a good and harmonious affiliation with an auto mechanic you trust. Working with the same auto mechanic all through your car's life gives him or her a chance to become more acquainted with your auto, its full history, and its individual peculiarities. Number 3, know your car with the owner's manual. There is a reason why a car comes with an owner's manual. In every manual, there is a maintenance graph that every car owner should check for before anything else. The graph will incorporate such data as when to replace the oil, turn tires, supplant the air channel, investigate fuel lines, change different liquids like the engine oil, transmission liquid, and other upkeep issues which can help the service personnel better assist what is needed for the car. Number 4, monitor your car's liquids weekly. Each liquid in your car has its own purpose, and it is important to always be updated with it. There are a lot of friction going on inside your car, which may cause heat and may decrease your car's performance. Keeping an eye on your car's engine oil, transmission fluid, clutch oil, power steering oil, brake fluid and coolant will guarantee your car's performance, and will do good in your fuel economy. Number 5, be mindful of wheel condition and tire pressure. The basics of knowing the right tire pressure is significant for appropriate vehicle maintenance, to limit the hazard for untimely wear and even total tire exhaustion. However, tires lose air each day, that is why you need to keep an eye on it and properly maintain it. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss anything? Comment down below so we can discuss it. I hope this video helped you prepare. After all, it's a jungle out there. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better.